In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize advanced filtering and sorting in Monday.com. We're going to focus on using the advanced filter options so you can quickly find exactly what you need in your boards, even when you're dealing with a lot of items and columns. Start on the board where you want to apply your filters. At the top left of the board, look for the filter button. Click that and then click the small drop-down arrow next to it. This opens up more detailed filtering options, beyond the simple quick filters you might already be using. From here, switch to Advanced Filters. This is where you can build more specific, layered conditions, instead of just filtering by one simple attribute. Advanced filters are especially helpful if you manage complex projects, multiple statuses, or a mix of owners, dates, and priorities. Once you're in the Advanced Filters panel, choose the option to add a new filter. This tells Monday.com that you want to define a rule for what should be shown on the board. Think of each filter as a sentence that describes which items you want to see. First, you'll select a column. This could be something like status, owner, priority, or any custom column you've set up. Next, you'll select the condition you want to apply to that column. Depending on the column type, you'll see options like is not, contains, does not contain, or other relevant operators. Finally, choose the value that completes the condition. For example, you might say, status is in progress, or owner contains a specific team member, or priority is high. You can repeat this process to add more filters and build a more refined view. When you have multiple filters, you'll see an and or toggle. This is important. Use and. If you want items that match all of your conditions at the same time, such as status is in progress and priority is high. Use or if you want items that match at least one of the conditions, like status is in progress or status is stuck. Switching between and or can dramatically change what appears in your filtered view, so adjust it based on what you need to see. Once you've dialed in the filters and you're happy with the results, don't forget to save this setup. In the top right of the filter window, choose the option to save as a new view. Give this view a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize it later. That way, anytime you return to this board, you can instantly apply all of these advanced filters with a single click, instead of rebuilding them from scratch.